First, I'm going to go over how to read this pattern and then I'm going to demonstrate it. SC2 means 2 single crochet stitches. You should note though that pattern writers can be inconsistent about whether they write this out as SC2 or 2SC. Commas are used to tell you that the stitch instructions it separates are crocheted into separate stitches. So for example, SC, SC, SC means single crochet into 3 separate stitches. Next, you repeat everything inside the parentheses by the number of times indicated by the multiplication symbol. Note, some pattern writers use brackets instead of parentheses. They function in the same way. Putting it together, this pattern instruction is telling you to crochet a single crochet stitch, then another single crochet stitch in the next stitch, and then an increased stitch in the next stitch, and then to repeat this sequence 5 more times. The number in the brackets at the end tell you how many stitches should be in that row or round. You should use it to keep track and make sure you've done the correct number of stitches. Here's a demonstration from round 4 of my pumpkin pie video. Step 1, do a single crochet stitch and mark it with your stitch marker. Step 2, do another single crochet stitch in the next stitch. Step 3, do an increased stitch in the next stitch. You should now have 4 stitches in this round. Repeat steps 1 to 3 5 more times. You should have 24 stitches at the end of this round, as indicated by the brackets.